eyeliner, I'm going to be using this Glamnetic liquid eyeliner, which is also a magnetic eyeliner because I'm going to be wearing false lashes that have magnets on them. This is so much easier than using eyelash glue because it doesn't take as long and it's not messy and sticky. This is what my eyeliner looks like. I exaggerated it a little bit on purpose. Because I'm in a parade, people are not going to be able to see me up close. For blush, I am using NYX's stick blush in the color Magnolia. Elsa's blush is more like a corally color than a pink. Always put a little bit of blush on my nose to add a little extra color to my face, and plus it looks similar to when it's cold out, how you get a natural flush from the cold, chilly air. Now I'm going to set that cream blush with my Benefit Coral Blush in the color Shelly. I'm not tapping any excess off of my face for this like I usually would because we want more product than usual. Now I'm going to apply this shimmery iridescent white eyeshadow on my brow and tear duct. This color is called Northern Lights. When I apply it over top of the cream shadow, it almost looks like pink when you turn into the light. It's very pretty. Now I'm going to use Maybelline Falsies mascara for my top lashes because I want very thick doll-like lashes for this look. I'm going to be wearing fake lashes too, so this will help them blend perfectly into my real eyelashes. Now I'm going to apply one layer of e.l.f. Lash Roll on my bottom lashes only, very, very lightly. For my lips, I'm going to be using this NYX lipstick from their Ice collection, which was released a couple of Christmases back. This one is called Icon Living, and it's so pretty. It's this purple glittery lipstick. Elsa's lips are my favorite part of her makeup because I don't know any other Disney princess, or in her case, queen, that wears purple lipstick. Now for my favorite part of the look, the glitter. And there's this pressed glitter in this palette, which is my favorite thing about this palette, and it's called Flurry, which is like such an appropriate name because it literally looks like snowflakes. So this is gonna go all over my cheekbones, which is so beautiful. And you barely need to tap your finger in the palette at all. A little goes a long way, so this lasts a really long time. I'm gonna put a slight bit on my eyelids too. And the rest on the brow bone, because why not? Just a tad bit on the nose, because why not? When you're Elsa, you can never have too much glitter. Also a little on my Cupid's bow as well. And I'll put a little on the lips that I have left over. Makeup is done. Now all I gotta do is put on my wig and my costume, and then I'm gonna put my fake lashes on then.
See, look up, this guy's... Oh my god! It's snowing!
I think it is snowing!
Look! Look at all the white pieces!
Ooh!